love using a typewriter as an artistic medium to do drawings with. It's just fun, you know, it's a weird way of having fun, I suppose. It's a great way of doing drawings, it's a great way of making marks with letters and punctuation. People don't tend to write documents with typewriters anymore. I don't really think about much when I'm doing it. If I'm on location, I'm just enjoying the view, you know. If I'm at home and I'm drawing a portrait of someone, then, you know, I'll listen to music. With my course, because I'm studying architecture, I do lots of hand drawing anyway. I do lots of pen drawings, lots of freehand stuff as well as CAD. It's just nice to break away from it sometimes, and I never get an opportunity to use a typewriter at any other point. I'll always start with the eyes. They're the most difficult part of the drawing to get right. You know, people aren't going to buy a drawing of someone with wonky eyes, so that's a deal breaker really. And then if it's a landscape, you know, it all depends really. I tend to use the @ symbol for shading. The @ symbol is great because it has a large surface area and it's just excellent for that. It's an old format. It was an invention from the 19th and 20th century, and it's an obsolete piece of technology, and I feel like it's just a nice way of drawing.